Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Random Sync 7, and today I'm going to show you how to get turn-by-turn navigation on your motorbike when it's synced with your phone. So let's first look at how we set up the phone, and then we'll see how we connect it and get it on the console of the motorbike. So anyway, it's day 10 of the lockdown in India. We've been inside for a very long time, and I've gone mad. I really want to ride this bike, but I'm not able to. So anyway, hopefully it's over soon, and we are out on the roads as soon as possible. Take care until then. Stay inside, stay indoors, and yeah, let me walk you through how to get turn-by-turn navigation on your KTM 390 Adventure. Let's go ahead. Hey guys, so I had to actually move indoors because nothing was visible outside, with the reflection and the sun, being very strong. So anyway, I have my phone here. So first thing first that we need to do is, okay, so this is my phone. It's a Redmi Note 7. We need to download app. So we go to Play Store. I just search for KTM navigation, and the first app that we see here, KTM My Ride Navigation, it's by KTM Sports Motorcycle GmbH, Maps and Navigation. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, that's the app that we need to download. Not that, this one. So the only catch is in India you have to pay 600 rupees for the app. I'm not sure what the equivalent pricing is for any other country. So this is one thing that we need to purchase. So I don't mind purchasing it because we purchased a motorcycle that's pretty expensive, and there's nothing in comparison to the motorcycle. So yeah, let me purchase the app. Hang on, let me make the payment. I'm not sure. Trying to make the payment, and there we go. I've made the payment, and the installation is in progress right now. The internet connection is not the fastest these days. It's a pretty heavy app for that matter. I mean, it's a 99.60 MB, so almost 100 MB app, and that's pretty huge. So anyway, it's almost done. 68, 77, 86, 95, and I think this will take some time. There we go. So we'll open the app, and I'm getting the process. Welcome. We will guide you through the process of pairing the app with your KTM My Ride capable bike. So start, accept the terms and conditions, allow My Ride to access the device's location. Okay, go forward. We allow My Ride to access photos, media, and files on your device. Okay, we'll allow it for the time being. Download voice file. Click the button to download voice file now. Okay, so I think it also gives a voice instructions on direction. So let's download the voice file. It's a pretty small 8 MB, I mean 0.8 MB file. So I think that's done. Yeah, that's done. It's in English UK. 0.37 MB, sorry. Pair your bike. Connect your phone to your My Ride capable dashboard. Okay, I think now is when I will have to head out. Okay, it's saying how to enable pairing on your bike. In the menu on your bike's dashboard, turn on pairing by entering set bike and pairing. Okay, we've done that. Turn on Bluetooth. Make sure your device's Bluetooth is on, then select your bike when it appears on the list. Okay, fine. Okay, that should there. My KTM sport motorcycle is there. So let me go out again, and then we'll take it from there, because I'll have to show you how to yeah, pretty much connect it with the bike, and maybe set a direct set a destination on the app and see how the turn-by-turn navigation works. So let's go ahead now. Okay, we are out now near the bike. Let me switch on the bike first, so that there we go, and let me try connecting to the motorcycle. I think I mentioned in one of my videos where when this Bluetooth icon here is dark in color, that's when the motorcycle is actually connected to the phone. So I think it's still connecting. Let's wait for some time, or let me get back to you when it's connected. Okay, now we are connected to the bike. The phone is connected to the bike, as you can see from this icon, which is dark now. So anyway, let's go back to the app now. Hang on. And now we're connected to the phone and the app is opening. Hang on. There you go. So right now let me turn on my GPS so that the phone is able to detect where I am. So there we go. It's shown my location. In fact, let that be a secret. So once we have the location, let's say for example we search a location. Let's search for, say, it's a little slow, this app. So even I'm using this for the first time. Oh, okay. Show virtual keyboard, switch it on. There we go. Okay, so that's one setting that you need to change. Show virtual keyboard. Now let's search for a location. Let's just type in a very generic hang on, let's search for Guwahati. There we go. Select. It's just showing me a random location in Guwahati. So GS Road, in fact. I hope you are able to see. I'm trying to create some shade so that you can see. And once I hit the start button here, in fact, let's start again. Safety instructions, agree. After 750 meters I need to take a left. So let's just start the bike. Navigation. So my navigation was off and I need to ensure that navigation is now on. There we go. After 750 meters we need to take up left, and the destination is 97 kilometers away. So that's it, guys. That's how you get navigation on your KTM 390 Adventure. It's shown on the left side. It's a very clear-cut instruction. After 750 meters I need to take a left. That's it. And it also tells me, so right now the time is 11:30. So the destination arrival time would be 14:31 or 2:31, and it's about 97 kilometers away. So that's a pretty comprehensive detail about when you would reach the destination. So anyway, it's been tough shooting this video because of the sun and the reflection that we're getting from both the surfaces of the phone as well as the console. So hopefully I was able to show you what I wanted to show you guys, and how to go about pairing and getting navigation for your phone and pairing it with the bike, and getting it on the dash of your bike, making navigation much easier than earlier trying to look on your phone, having your phone mounted here. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. Please subscribe to the channel if you're liking what I'm making, the content, and stay home. As of now, another 11 days to go. We're almost in the midway mark. Hopefully they do not extend their lockdown and we are able to head out of the houses and yeah, go about riding. Why not? Until then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay inside.